In many European countries, we are seeing increasing social conflicts, signs of polarization, and anti-democratic developments. Meanwhile, climate change, migration, and digitalization, to name just a few, are confronting societies with often far-reaching changes. To overcome these challenges in a democratic way, collective resilience is needed. We are Cosight, and our Cosight Lab is one of the 10 pioneering projects working on societal resilience as part of the Future Resilience project. Our aim is to find out what makes societal resilience possible, and for that purpose, we interview researchers and experts. Today we're talking to Dr. Hector Simón Moreno, professor at the University of Rovira i Virgili in Tarragona, Spain.
I'm Dr. Hector Simón, professor of civil law and director of the UNESCO Chair on the Right to Housing at University Rovira i Virgili, and I'm the head of the Liquid Housing Lab that addresses the liquid housing phenomenon in the city of Tarragona.
How do social conflicts impact societal resilience?
In the field of housing, resilience may refer to the fulfillment of the right to housing, providing households with accessible and affordable housing and security of tenure. But the global financial crisis, combined with the effects of the COVID-19 and inflation crisis, have impacted the human right to housing and its resilience. Now, households are increasingly suffering from over-indebtedness due to the unaffordability of housing in urban areas. So as a result, several forms of liquid housing have proliferated in some European member states, including the Spanish one, such as squatting, the illegal selecting of housing, overcrowded or superstandard housing, etc. So this could lead to social conflicts or challenges, in family formation, infertility, social unrest and populism, increasing inequalities, etc. So addressing the types of liquid housing through the fulfillment of the right to housing could help to achieve societal resilience.
Developing resilience requires openness to change, including unexpected changes, meaning the ability to transform. How do you promote transformative resilience and avoid reproducing pre-existing conflicts?
It must be taken into account that housing is both a human right and a profitable asset. So diminishing our vulnerability to the liquid housing phenomenon requires a shift in social, political, and economic values in order to achieve a good balance between both approaches in order to make cities affordable for everyone. This could lead, for instance, changing the approach, considering the available land tenures, housing policies adopted at the local and regional level, etc. So we aim to promote transformative resilience through a broader approach, allowing citizens, stakeholders, and policymakers to consider adaptation and transformation as appropriate, desirable responses to the liquid housing phenomenon through co-creation sessions throughout the whole process.
Cosight is part of the first European research project on societal resilience, the Future Resilience project. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon Europe Research and Innovation Programme.